Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a project share, and since I have an extra one, we'll go ahead and do a 5-minute tutorial at the end if you want to stay. So, yep, it's me. I am using Anna Griffin's Castle Easel die, and boy, do I love it. It's so cute. Now, I have not decorated them with the extra flowers and the sentiments yet, but I'll show you what I made. And it comes with really nice instructions. So I'll show you what the die looks like. And then I'll show you my cards, and then we'll put one together. So here's the die. Comes with a lot of pieces. And it comes on a magnetic board and the instruction sheet, so that's nice. This is the easel part. This is the outer part, and you can make two different kind of cards with this. This is the castle, then the windows and shutters. I never use the shutters, the little shutters, but I did use the windows. You have to cut the windows out 4 times, and then the other parts to it. So let's see if I can get all that back together. So the first one is not the easel. The first one is just a regular card. And what you would do is you would take this outer piece and you would fold your card over a 5x7 piece of paper and fold it over, or make it a 5x7, and you would not cut out this little part. You would let that fold over, and you would let that hang over and not cut it. I know y'all know what I'm talking about because I've done it on other cards. And then you can make just a regular card. So there's that one. And then here's the easel ones. You do have to have your own stopper. And on my stopper I used, what did I use? Anna Griffin's. This envelope one, I don't know what it's called, but I used the second and third one. I don't know what this one's called, but that's the stopper I use. But she's got a lot of concentrate. Is that the one? Concentrate, or is that the right word? Where it goes on and on, the same size, bigger and bigger. So I have a lot of those. So here's the next one. And it folds up very flat. And here is one. Maybe you can see the dimensions more. And it's embossed too. There's one. Here's another one. I know a lot of little girls that would love to get this card in the mail. I think it's just so cute. And they stand up really well. You almost don't even need the stopper, but the stopper, you can put nice sentiments on it. There's another one. Can you see all the layers? That one could stand up like that almost. I only have 2 more to show you, and then I'll put one together real quick. There's another one. And then there's this one. I got my camera kind of too close, I think. I need to bump it back out. There you go. There's another one. So I like all the colors and everything. It's been fun to put these together. You go ahead and cut however many cards out you want, and then you just glue all these pieces on, and you kind of lose yourself in music or whatever you have on the TV. Hopefully not too much news, because I can tell you I've watched too much news and now I'm all in a kind of funny mood just because of that. So when you're cutting it, so here's the stopper, and then here's the pieces, but see how I folded this over? I needed 4, so I had to cut the windows twice, run it one through one, and then run it back through for just these pieces, and got 2 of these. So remember, fold your paper over so you're not cutting it so often, and it saves on your machine. See how tight I had it to fold over and everything? So make sure you do that. So okay, let's put one together. We have all the pieces together and ready. So here is the actual easel part, and it comes, you fold it there, and then you fold it down here. Let's see if I can get it to fold for me. And you need to burnish it. It's kind of not wanting to fold perfect. There we go. I wanted it to fold a little bit better, and I got it better. Okay, so you fold that over. This is the outer part that I told you would make the card if you wanted just the card without the easel part, and then you glue the castle on top. So let's get the glue. Let's see if it's going to want to come out. Yeah. Let's glue this down. I bought this on HSN, but I know Anna also sells it on her website, annagriffin.com. There's also a Facebook group that's Anna Griffin buy used and new product. It's not hers, but it is a group with Anna Griffin stuff that you can buy used and in search of. A lot of people are in search of certain stuff. I'm in the group, but I've never bought anything. Haven't had to need to, but it's nice to know it's there. Okay, so let me turn this, and I am going to start with that little flag and put it in the area it needs to go in, and then everything else kind of falls into place. I like using glue because it gives you enough time to move. Like this needs to be moved over a little. Move everything over and press down. See, like I just had to move that whole thing over. And it's handmade, so if it's not perfect, then that's okay too. And if it's paper and you mess up, you just cut it another one. Okay, so this is the stopper. I've already got pop dots on it, but we don't need that until last. So then you're going to take glue on this part of the easel, or you could use tape. I like glue for this because it lets me have time to move it around. And then I put it just about where I think it should go. Fold it over, burnish it down. Okay, so really it's ready to stand up. See, it's already ready and it's there. But let's go ahead and open that up and let's decorate these. Now this is we're going to put all these on and glue them all on in place like this. So you glue that. So it's going to take a minute to glue all these. If you want to stay with me, I'm going to glue them down. If not, then thank you for stopping by. My links are down below. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe. Hope everyone had a nice Easter. Okay, so, and this glue also dries clear, so that's nice. So that's the top of it. Something just made my camera bounce. Hope it's still working. Nope. Something made my camera bounce there, so I'm not sure what's going on with my camera, but I'm still here gluing. I kind of did stop and look up for a minute, so I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know if there's a power surge or what, because I'm not online yet. I haven't uploaded it. But all these fit right into place. And after a while, you get kind of fast at it. If you make quite a few of them. And what I'm going to do is mail them out. Or I have a drawer, because I make so many cards that I put them all in a Ziploc bag, all the same kind. Put them in a Ziploc bag, and I wait until it's time for sending out a card or gifting cards I've made to people so that they can send them out. But I like putting them in a Ziploc bag, all the same kind, in the bag. So like if I give them to the neighborhood ladies or I give them to my mom, I can say one to each person of the same type. Does anybody make cards? And do you like using dies better? Or do you like just freehanding them? It's nice to do both. I kind of like the dies right now. I've been wanting to use everything that I've bought. I don't want to buy anything right now. Maybe just paper. But I don't want to buy anything extras. And I want to use everything that I have. I just watched a lady's video today. She's showing her room, and she was a shopaholic. She didn't have any more space for anything. It was stacked on top of stacked, and I'm like, now, is that what my husband sees? Does he think I buy too much? At least I use my stuff, and some people only buy supplies and just don't know when to stop buying. I'm like, oh my God, I was sad for her, and I didn't write anything on her video, but I was actually sad for her that she just had thousands of dollars worth of supplies and not even opened the packaging. And she said she had a garage full too. That's sad. I want to use my stuff and enjoy it. Maybe after using it a year or two and getting tired of it or not using it anymore, then you gift it or you sell it used. So you can buy more stuff, but at least use your stuff. I'm thinking, wow, some of this stuff you could have bought a new car. That's how much supplies that person has. Now I do hoard my paper though. I always, when I buy it, I have it in my mind, I want to make this, and to get to it, to have time to get to it, you know, sometimes it takes months to have time to get to a project. Maybe this lady had so much because she gets free samples. I hope so. See, I don't know what's wrong with my computer. I don't even know if it's recording. All I see is it's spinning round and round. So I don't even know if this is going to be a good upload. Maybe I didn't have my computer turned on long enough and it's wanting to, because I mean I pushed record right when I turned it on. So we got a couple more windows and we are done with this project. And I like that I'm using glue because you can move it around a little bit. This is a very nice die. Anna's got a haunted house one. She had the heart Valentine's one. This castle. I wish she would have done just a regular Victorian house, but she didn't. But you could take the haunted house pieces and some of these pieces and do that. Okay, our last piece, and then we'll put the stopper down. So I never trust these pop dot glue part because they don't have really strong glue. So I always add a little glue to each pop dot and to the side so it glues it better to the paper. I would either use hot glue or regular glue. So then you just push this, and I kind of want this point to be centered of that door. And there we go. So yeah, we just made that card. Of course, my video is screwing up, so Lord knows what y'all are going to see. But there you go. It's a purple and gray. And then I'm going to go and find little roses of pieces of Anna Griffin's kits, and she always gives you extra roses and shrubs and stuff, and I'm going to decorate them up. So that's going to be really fun. So hopefully you got something out of this, and hopefully you liked it, and thanks for stopping by, everybody. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.